6 best double-din car stereo. Top picks for your car. If you want your car to sound amazing, look smart, and keep driving safe, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out the 6 best double-din car stereo options that make music, calls, and navigation super easy. I'll tell you which ones are perfect for families, budget users, and even premium car lovers. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best double-din car stereo. Let's get started.
1. PLZ 7-inch wireless double-din car stereo. The PLZ 7-inch wireless double-din car stereo feels modern, friendly, and very easy to use. Its big touchscreen shows maps, music, and apps clearly while driving. Menus are simple, colorful, and easy enough for kids' parents to understand quickly. This stereo fits nicely into most cars and looks clean on dashboards. It is designed for daily driving, school trips, and short city rides. Everything feels bright and welcoming from the first touch. FM and AM radio work well for news and favorite shows. Steering wheel controls help drivers change songs safely without distractions. Backup camera support makes parking easier and safer in tight spaces. This stereo is perfect for families wanting smart features and strong sound. The price usually stays between $180 and $230 depending on sales. Verdict: this is a powerful, smart, and value-packed double-din car stereo speaker that makes every drive safer, happier, and more enjoyable today. 2. Boss Audio Systems BVCP9700A Double-Din Car Stereo. The Boss BVCP9700A Double-Din Car Stereo feels simple, clean, and friendly. It comes with a bright 7-inch touchscreen that is easy to see and touch. The screen layout is clear, so new users do not feel confused. This stereo fits nicely in most cars and looks neat on dashboards. It is made for daily driving, school trips, and short city rides. Everything feels light, smooth, and easy from the start. There's no CD or DVD player, which makes the system faster and lighter. AM and FM radio still work well for music, news, and talk shows. The stereo buttons are easy to understand and comfortable to use. Boss Audio is known for trusted quality and long-lasting products. The price usually stays between $160 and $210. Verdict: a reliable, budget-friendly double-din car stereo speaker that makes every drive safer, happier, and more enjoyable today.
3. SJoyBring 7-inch QLED double-din car stereo. The SJoyBring 7-inch QLED double-din car stereo looks bright, colorful, and modern. The screen shows clear pictures with strong colors, even during sunny days. Menus are simple, so kids' parents can learn quickly without stress. This stereo fits well in most cars and makes dashboards look fresh. It feels friendly, smooth, and fun from the first touch. Everything on the screen looks clean and easy to read. 2 subwoofer outputs add deep bass that makes songs exciting. FM radio work well for music and talk shows. Backup camera support helps drivers park safely and avoid accidents. Steering wheel control allows easy song changes without moving hands. The price usually stays between $170 and $220. Verdict: a colorful, powerful, and easy-to-use double-din car stereo that balances sound and smart features perfectly. 4. Pioneer DMH130BT Double-Din Car Stereo. The Pioneer DMH130BT Double-Din Car Stereo feels strong, simple, and trustworthy. It comes with a 6.8-inch touchscreen that responds well to finger touches. The screen is clear and easy to understand for users. Menus are clean and not confusing. This stereo fits nicely into many cars and looks neat on dashboards. It is built for daily driving, school runs, and family use. Everything feels steady and well-made from the start. Music sounds balanced and smooth at low or high volume. FM radio work well for news and talk shows. Backup camera input helps drivers park safely and confidently. The short chassis design makes installation easier in cars. This stereo is perfect for people who want simple features with strong reliability. The price usually stays between $150 and $190. Verdict: a dependable double-din car stereo that delivers clear sound, easy controls, and trusted Pioneer quality.
5. Pioneer DMH-W2770NEX Double-Din Car Stereo. The Pioneer DMH-W2770NEX Double-Din Car Stereo feels premium, modern, and smooth. Its 6.8-inch capacitive touchscreen is fast, responsive, and bright. The menu is clean and easy to read, so anyone can use it. This stereo fits nicely in modern cars and makes dashboards look stylish. It is perfect for daily commuting, long trips, and family drives. Everything feels high quality, polished, and enjoyable from the first touch. The stereo outputs feel powerful, detailed, and balanced, making songs sound amazing. Steering wheel controls make it easy to change tracks or adjust volume safely while driving. Backup camera support improves parking safety and reduces stress in tiny spaces. The short chassis design allows flexible installation in many models. The price usually stays between $380 and $450. Verdict: a premium, feature-packed double-din stereo that delivers rich sound, advanced smart features, and a luxury driving experience every day. 6. Kissound 7-inch Double-Din Car Stereo. The Kissound 7-inch double-din car stereo is modern, colorful, and very easy to use. Its large touchscreen is bright, clear, and simple to navigate. Menus are friendly, so anyone can learn quickly. This stereo fits most cars and makes dashboards look neat and organized. It is perfect for drives, school trips, and family outings. Everything feels smooth, simple, and fun from the first time you touch the screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connect quickly without messy cables. Drivers can use maps, answer calls, and play music safely while driving. USB-C, aux, and TF card slots give extra flexibility for every kind of media. Backup camera support makes parking safer and easier. Steering wheel controls let you change songs without taking your hands off the wheel. The price usually stays between $120 and $160. Verdict: a feature-rich, budget-friendly double-din stereo that combines smart connectivity, strong sound, and easy usability for everyday driving fun.
Which best double-din car stereo should you buy? So, there you have it. If you want top-notch quality, go for the Pioneer DMH2770NEX. Looking for the best value with cool features? PLZ 7-inch wireless double-din is your pick. On a budget? Kissound 7-inch double-din won't let you down. Want something reliable and trusted? Pioneer DMH130BT has got you covered. Love bright screens and strong sound? Check out the SJoyBring 7-inch QLED. And if you want something simple, branded, that's easy to use, Boss BV-CP9700A is perfect. Whichever one you pick, your car rides just got a serious upgrade.